We kind of talked a little bit about, I guess, what's up and coming and what's new. What else is changing? Dare I say it, the word Gen AI. How's that impacting mobile?
Cool. That's going to be massive, and I think we're going to see a lot of agent, chat agent type things that you can talk to. We're going to end up with Alexa on roids, basically, um, and it's going to be a little bit scary. And there will be a big flurry to try and modify things to do that. And you may even have it end up with apps that don't really have a user interface because they just get plugged in automatically to another agent. So these things called MCP service, Model Context Protocol, you might be able to have something that plugs into the chatbot and you can say, order me a pizza, please. And because you've ordered before or whatever, it knows where your preferences are and it knows where you like to get it from. It knows your credit card number. It'll go and order the pizza for you. And it might even come back with a question, what time do you want that? Do you want it straight away or do you want it later if you didn't provide that context? So, and obviously that could be taken to a whole lot of different things. Yeah, so that's going to be pretty crazy and interesting going forward.
Yeah, MCP for servers, 1000% Hamish, the next big thing. And it's cool seeing how they work. So for those that are unfamiliar with them, they sort of uh, Hamish explained it partially, but it's like the middle layer between your LLM and your services. So it allows your services to be future proofed against model changes. So it's sort of agnostic to what model you're using, be it you know the variety of different ones we have on the market now or any of the ones that are up and coming. And it makes them a bit more useful because what we've seen so far is that these AI agents are really great for talking to. They're really great at providing information, but they're not necessarily great at doing things for you. We've seen them being joined with tools at the moment, but the introduction of MCP really changes the game because it allows for that vision, right, of your AI working as your personal assistant. A personal assistant wouldn't be very valuable if every time they needed to do something, they had to come back to you and be like, I've compiled all the information, now you do it. It's not helpful to me. It, it's going to, particularly when it comes to mobile apps, it's going to introduce some really cool things, like what Hamish was talking about with apps talking to each other. Like I'm envisioning that sort of multi-app compatibility where, for example, my fitness tracker would talk to my AI agent on my device and go, look, these are the steps. This is her fitness goals. Great. We're ordering the groceries on her grocery app this week. Let's make sure we're aligning her macros to that. It's gonna create some really awesome opportunities within the mobile app space to be really creative and to think really broad scale.
Mm. So I'm thinking, is going to ask Hamish, do you really want pineapple with that? And make to use it no pizza for you, for your fitness tracking, right?
Yeah, she might be carbo loading for an event. I don't know. I'm for an event where you need lots of fats too.
It's going to give me that cauliflower base that no one has ever wanted or up.